going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a 2018 Dodge Caravan. It's probably the same for multiple different years. So if you want to change out your high beam, pretty much it's pretty simple. You'll look right back here and you'll see that, okay, move your hand, that green spot right there, that's actually your high beam right there if you want to change that out. And all you got to do basically is just turn it and it'll come out pretty much. And then to get to your regular beam, it's actually over in this corner over here. If you look right back there, go ahead and grab it. If you have like skinny hands or something like that, it'll be pretty simple for you to get to it. You just kind of want to reach and right back there, and you'll just turn it and turn it out. Hold on. And then pull it straight up. Once you turn it, you pull it out of the opening pretty much. Like I said, you'll be able to get to this light. Yeah, you kind of want to wiggle it out some. You're trying to touch the top of it, the actual light bulb itself, because if you touch the light bulb itself, it can make your light actually burn out quicker because the greases from your hand actually get onto it. Alright, so once you get the light out like this, what you want to do next is just kind of pop these two black side pieces out like that, pull them out. You may need somebody else to help you pull the light bulb off itself, but once you pull those side pieces out, then you'll be able just to pull your headlight directly off of it like that. Like I said, make sure you don't touch the light bulb's part itself right here with your fingers, because the grease from your fingers can get on the bulbs and make them burn out quicker. And pretty much once you have it out, when you get your new light bulb, you just want to take it just like that and then push it back down. And you want to make sure you push it back down the correct way. You don't want to do it that way, actually won't even go. So when you pick your bulb, you just push it back down and press it all the way down. You see those yellow, that orange part right there? When you have it all the way on, you shouldn't see that anymore. So when you have your bulb on, you won't see that orange part. And once you got that done, now you can go ahead on and reinstall your light bulb back into the opening back there. Let me see if I can show you where the bulb came out from. Hold on, you should be able to see. It's kind of tight back there. You're not going to be able to see where it came out from. But anyways, pretty much that's all you have to do to remove your headlight on a 2018 Dodge Caravan. Alright, please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.